This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. So you can see red candle, massive drop from the high of Friday. Today was an interesting day. Let me take you through what we did. This is the 15-minute chart. So market opened up gap down yesterday or Friday. The market closed at 37,811. Now we had closed positions, so we didn't have any positions open. Today the market opened up about 37,388. So a massive drop came off in the morning. It covered some ground and essentially closed the gap around 10:30 or so. But I think till 10:40 or so, which is about here, we didn't really sell, add any positions. Over here we decided to add a few calls because the option chain suggested there was a lot of resistance at 38,000, and on the put side it was 37,000 and 37,500, and market was around 37,700. So we thought that it might be range bound between 37,500 and 38,000. Now around 10:50 or 11 o'clock, as it started moving here, we thought maybe we were incorrect, so we added a few puts around here. What was interesting was around 12 o'clock when the option chain, I noticed calls were written at 38,000, puts were written at 37,500. Global markets were looking weak, and the straddle had come down to about 983. Straddle opened up today at 1068. But the option chain was kind of our guiding force today on what might happen around 2 p.m. or so, right? The markets come down, it's around 37,400 or so. Option chain still suggested calls were at 38,000 and puts were at 37,500. That's about 200 points in the money, which means that some point they would start squaring off, assuming some percentage of it are intraday traders. They would start positioning or squaring it up so that the market will fall further. Obviously, global economy was still not doing well, so we thought it's definitely going to go a little lower. So we started selling some more calls so that we could take advantage of what looked like a lower trend. Eventually, IVs were also up. I think by about 3 o'clock or so, the IVs, which were 19 and 20 in the morning, became 21. So there was no premium decay, but it's a great chance for us to write options. So we did that. Market eventually closed at 37,145. Straddle was 1057, and IVs were, I think, close to 24 or 23 when they closed. Overall, we still have a delta negative view. We've added on to our profits from Friday. I think tomorrow the markets are definitely looking down. As you can see, the side is all red. Uh, Sort of US is trading lower, 800 points on the Dow Jones. S&P is 100 points, 2% down. Everywhere is looking down, so it may look like this may further correct. In terms of ranges, this is kind of what we've got. If we've got a few resistance, we had one here, we definitely have one around here. um, this could be another resistance here, so it would be interesting to see what the market does, and if we've got any climbing up, our 37,500 might be some resistance. 37,700, 38,000 is definitely a solid resistance. So that's kind of what we're doing. On the support side, this got taken out in the last minute. We've got this over here at 36,800, and I'm sure tomorrow if I'll find a few more supports over here as well. But overall, I think markets are definitely looking weak. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes another 2, 3, 400 potentially points lower, testing 36,500 odd levels. Overall, again, our plan is not to be fixed. We have a slightly delta negative view, so we're hoping the market does come down, but eventually be flexible enough, take advantage of high IVs, potential great decays, so that we can build on and end the week in profit.